claim that they have stopped the 30% tariffs. What a lot of rubbish. Trump has already reversed most of the tariffs that he has posted in the world. And by the way, the Supreme Court of America said that he cannot just do that, it is unconstitutional. So they're going to claim it. The DA is going to claim it, the ANC is going to claim it, and all die ander kol wappers wat daar was, and they're going to say, we did it. No, you didn't. Secondly, they're going to say they are fighting tooth and nail to stop AGOA, to ensure that AGOA gets included in our packages. Well, they pray. Thirdly, they're hoping that Donald Trump comes here for the G20. He's not agreed yet, Jack, but they already claimed he's landing and hulle maak al klap potholes reg. So, my overall contestation of America, ek dink, people are gatvol, the people are not stupid, and the people of this country know what's going on. And that's the biggest problem, is when they went there and came back, they tried to lie to us. They tried to bamboozle. Some people saying, but I was at Nampo. Jy was waar? Gaan vry koekie by Nampo. You know what the people went to go do? They went to go ask creep. Hulle gaan gat kry, Jack. Hulle gaan gat kry by Nampo. En kan ek nou vir jou sê, ek sê het. Ek sal nooit seker genooi word Nampo toe nie. Maar ek sê het vanaand, dat die bestuur van Nampo dit toegelaat het, dat hulle vir Paul Mashatile kap kyk in die res van die kwartale, dat hulle daarin gelaat het om ons daar te beledig, is die skuld van Nampo, en ek sê nou vir jou, die boere, ons Afrikaners, dit was, ek het gehoor, Jacques, toe Paul Mashatile praat, toe Cyril praat, en die ander, toe klap hulle hande vir hulle, hulle het hande geklap vir hulle, toe hulle sê, dat die mense wat uit hierdie land uitgaan is cowards, hulle is lafaards.